What's up, guys? This is Jake Fried the Car Guy here with
Walker Fall Tethers. What we got today?
Today we are checking out an absolute beast of a truck. This is the brand new, completely redesigned 2023 F350 LARIAT. Now this is a special order. This truck sold, but we still want to show you the best of the best. And I'll tell you, special order is about the only way you're going to be able to find one of these trucks because they are so hot, you can't even touch them. Guys, what we're looking at here is the totally redesigned front grille for the 23 LARIAT diesel Super Duty with the redesigned hood right here. So we see that lip dropping down. We see that big Super Duty badging. This is the magnetic metallic color, I believe. Absolutely fantastic. It's a nice, beautiful gray with the paint flake right within there. We've got chrome all throughout this truck from your front grille, your wraparound, brand new 23 Super Duty lighting. Got your fog lamps and your heavy duty hooks right there on the front. And you also have some beautiful chrome wheels right here on the side with the locking hubs to lock in that four-wheel drive. We've got completely redesigned badging here for your LARIAT 350 badge, much bigger than we've seen in the past and much sharper as well. New 6.7 bigger Super Duty badge, also got the turbo diesel down there. And we also have new step positions. So we've got the full chrome running boards down the side, but we also have a brand new, haven't seen this in, I want to say over a decade, step side bed as well as a step side tailgate. Super handy, super capable, especially for a truck with a big bed and a big kind of hub right here. Bigger fender flares than I think I've ever seen on an F350 straight from the factory. And this is the FX4 off-road package, which gets you that better suspension. Your skid plates up under. It's just the best way to go if you're going off-road. Now this is a redesigned tailgate and it looks sharp as can be, as well as our redesigned bumper here. Chromed out, got the step right on the back, super heavy duty. And you also have multiple different points for backing up as far as your sensors go. You've got your heavy duty hitch here. This may be bigger than what you need. You can use a slim down for that. But one thing I want to show you that we haven't seen a lot of before is the drop down tailgate right here. So at the touch of a button, your tailgate drops right down. And another thing we haven't seen is this ruler right here so that you can measure out whatever job, whatever boards you're trying to cut, trying to get done, you can do it right from the tailgate of your Ford F350. Bottle openers on each side of the tailgate there. That's super cool for when you've got a job well done. And we also have our big pin connectors here for your gooseneck or fifth wheel hitch. This one already has our fifth wheel prep kit, and you see that in the bed there. You've got your 120 volt charger right here with the generator disconnect. So at the touch of that green button, disconnects or connects it. With the 180 volt, flips right up. And we also have our bed utility package. So plenty of tie downs, that drop down bed. And we also have LED lighting at the touch of a button. So super handy, super convenient. And one other really cool thing I want to show you about the F350 2023 is the remote start feature. That's right. So right at the touch of a key, and also with the amazing free Ford Pass app that we'll get you set up for in your new 350, you can start the truck, stop the truck, lock it, unlock it, tell the location, how much fuel capacity, how much tire pressure you have, how much oil life. You can do it all from your phone in your 2023 F350. You can even pay your phone with Ford credit as well for you folks who are financing, as we like to do with the amazing rates you'll get from Jake Fry, the finance guy. Guys, we're gonna hop on in here, check out the interior of this beautiful 23 LARIAT. Let's see how it looks. Guys, our very own Craig Odom is the man who sold this one. So if you're looking for a deal, Craig's got it going, and obviously this man knows how to build a truck, because this is a absolutely beautiful redesigned 23 LARIAT. From your perforated leather seats here, and what that gets you, those perforations, is the cooled seats as well as your heated seats with a little bit of counter stitching there in silver and a beautiful leather wrap dash right there. We also see the Bang & Olufsen sound system, which is absolutely fantastic. You see the badging there. It's got speakers all over this thing and your A-pillars on your dash there. And speaking of your dash, it has been refined just subtly. You've got your two double glove box there with the new Super Duty lettering right on the dash there. And you just kind of close that and you see your second glove box right there. We've got plenty of charge points. I'm talking about plenty in this truck. We've got a 12 volt right here, a 120 right there. We also have a USB and USB-C here, but we also have that wireless Qi or QI phone charger right there. So just drop your device right on it and it'll start charging. Right there is our retractable cover for that center console area there. And one other really cool, two things really about your center console. This is new. You've got your F-Series established 1948. This is the 75th anniversary F-Series 350. So you'll see the associated animation you won't see on any other truck in this one. Special hiding spot for our key is right there. And we can also shift this right over. And it kind of lets you know that with these Easter eggs here, but to create two additional drink holder spots. So you guys who are using this for the long range, you maybe don't want to take a lot of pit stops. You got to have your beverage with you, keep you hydrated. This truck, I believe, will actually have almost 1,000 miles of range capacity because of the massive fuel tank. And it depends on how you drive. It depends on what you're doing or what you're towing, but it'll get the job done. Tows about as much as any, retail Super Duty diesel truck on the market. USB-C's in the center console here, which has been redesigned. It's different than our previous year models. And we also see some really cool things as well that I'd not seen before on the 350s. And so what you see here is a adjustable 360 drop down camera. So what that's going to let us do, if I'm reversing out, I may want to back up my camera view. If I'm tight on my left side here, I may want to zoom right in and see what I'm getting close to and how close I'm getting to it. But it's all just so easy with the massive 12-inch center console screen on this F350. You've got your navigation built right in from the factory. You've also got some great features like that Pro Power onboard to power the job site. Now, speaking of towing, speaking of working, you've got your integrated trailer brake controller right here with your gain control. And we also have the Pro Trailer Backup Assist. That's amazing for a bigger truck like this. It's going to help you back the truck up with the trailer attached. I believe Craig actually ordered this one with all the equipment you need to set it up. And you remember, if you order one at J.C. Lewis, we'll make sure you can get everything you need to use the truck how you plan to use it. Now, we've got a number of different drive modes on this 23 F350. Slippery roads, off-road, towing, and better fuel mileage. All of it is just as easy as the turn of a knob on your 23 FX4 LARIAT F350. You've got your 4 high and your 4 low right here, again, at just a touch of a button. Dual climate control, so your passengers, your co-workers, whoever it is, will be comfortable as well. And this is also a very safe truck. So we've got our automatic emergency braking. We've got our lane keeping technology. We also have our blind spot in these big power adjustable mirrors as well. Power folding, just touch of a button, and we'll slide right into those tighter parking spaces. Also touchable button, and these mirrors will extend out. So no more yanking with a stuck mirror. You're able to adjust it exactly how you need. We also have tri-level memory seats right there. You've got LED lights in your mirrors, and we also have a drop-down tailgate button. So you just press that, and your tailgate will drop down and activate. You can also activate your Pro Power onboard from a button right there as well. Big 12-inch driving screen or digital dash right here, which is absolutely fantastic. I mean, I think that about wraps it up, guys, but there's one more thing I want to show you. It's the panoramic moonroof. Absolutely amazing that you can get a truck as capable as this with as many luxury and just nice to have features. I mean, you're going to be in this truck all the time. It's a great idea to have a big, beautiful panoramic sunroof just like this. But guys, this has been Jake Fry, the car guy. I want you to hit that like and subscribe button because we've got new 2023 Ford vehicles coming out all the time, and we don't want you to miss anything. Walker Paul, what else you got for the people?
Guys, if you're wanting one of these luxurious, safe, and very capable Super Duty trucks provided from Ford, feel free to give us a call, shoot us a text, or hit us up at our email, certifiedcarguys@gmail.com. We will get you right and get you rolling, get that order placed, and get you riding in a nice Super Duty truck. Do not forget to like and subscribe, guys. We need your support. We're growing very fast. Expect a lot of big things coming soon.
Huge things coming. Hit that like and subscribe and you won't miss a single one. Jake Fry, the car guy, Walker Paul Tetters, Craig Odham's the man, and we'll see you again soon. Thanks. What's up, YouTube? Craig here, JC Lewis Ford, hijacking Walker Paul and Jake's channel because they hijacked my vehicle. Now, I know Jake just went through a whole bunch of great stuff on this vehicle, but I'm gonna go through a little bit more. This is a 2023 Super Duty. This is a Big Booty Judy edition. Oh, check this out. 2023, not only have they made it a little bit easier to access your Big Booty Judy, but they made her just a little bit thicker. Easy access to the back. Jake showed you everything to do with that. Also, this thing has already got the 5th wheel prep package, because not only will it haul some tail, but it'll haul some tail. Check this out. You can put your house in the back of this. Did you have me unlocked? You can put your house in the back of it and haul it around. You can pull as many honeys as you can fit in the back of your vehicle, be it a toy hauler, a jet ski, who needs those anymore, a Winnebago if you want to in the fact, or if you just want to ride around, pull a crap load of stuff. Easy access to that. You can power your entire house off the back of this thing. See that? Get you a nice hitch on the back, do anything you want to. One thing Jake didn't tell you about with these mirrors, we never look backwards. This is for when the haters are trying to creep up behind you. You got blind spot monitors because they creep and trying to get into your vehicle. This is one sweet vehicle. It's already sold, but all I want you to do is follow, like, and subscribe to Jake Fry and Walker Paul. I love them. Thanks for using my vehicle in this video. We love you, Craig.